Solve for n if 134 base n equal to 54 base 8. This is a binary operation question, and we are going to find the value of n. But before we start, kindly like, comment, subscribe to this channel in order for you to get a subsequent video. Thank you. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, we are going to look at how we'll simplify this expression. In solving a binary equation, 132 will give us 1 times n plus 3 times n plus 4 times n, and this will be raised to power 0, 1, and 2, and that will be equal to 54 will give us 5 times 8 because it's in base 8 plus 4 times 8, and this will give you 0 and 1. If we simplify this further, that will give us the value. This will be n squared plus 3n plus 4 times anything raised to power 0 is 1, so that will be equal to 1, equal to 5 times 4 will give us 40 plus 8 raised to power 0 is 1, anything raised to power 0 is 1, so that will give us 1. So we'll have n squared plus 3n plus 4, and that will be equal to 40 plus 4. So this will give us n squared plus 3n plus 4 equal to 44. So 44 will come over here to give us n squared plus 3n plus 4 minus 44, and that will be equal to 0. So we'll have n squared plus 3n plus 4 minus subtract from 44 will give us minus 40, and this will be equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We'll solve that quadratic equation using the factorization method. So we'll have minus 40. We're going to look for two values we can multiply to give us minus 40, and that will give us minus 5 and plus 8. Minus times plus is minus. 5 times 4 will give us 40. We can also look at it as if we have minus 5 plus 8, that will give us plus 3. So these two values will work out well. So having those two values, we'll have n minus 5, and then we'll have n plus 8 as a factor of that quadratic equation. Both will be equal to 0. So we'll have our n minus 5 to be equal to 0, and our n plus 8 to be equal to 0. So our n here will be equal to 5, will cross over here to give us 5, and our n here will be equal to minus 8. So the value of n that satisfies that equation, n will be equal to 5 and minus 8. This is the solution to that binary operation question. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to also subscribe in order to get subsequent videos. Thanks so much for watching.